Let's be honest, today we live in a digital era that feels almost uncontrollable and we often become disconnected from real life. Social media, which was supposed to be a tool for communication, has now turned into a constant distraction. Scrolling is no longer just an activity, it feels like an obligation. We start with the intention of taking a short break, but end up getting pulled into an endless stream of content. Every scroll or swipe, an addiction that slowly eats away at our productivity and focus without us realizing it. The valuable time that should be used for working, study, or talking to someone is now stolen. Losing control of our time leads us to the next dance, losing ourselves.
Alas, tugas jam piro iki? Kira masih ada jam. Posting Gimana ya reaksi orang-orang lihat postingan gua? Dasar orang gak tahu tren. Bu, minta uangnya dong. Ibu tahu nggak sih kalau aku itu dibully kalau di IG?
Oh alah, ibu hari ini belum punya uang loh, Nge. Ibu udah punya uang lah, keperluannya masih banyak ini Bu.
Social media creates something dangerous. Our standard of success, happiness, and luxury are now controlled by algorithms and influencers. If we don't follow this standard, it feels like we are the stranger people in the world. The pressure to achieve that kind of happiness creates a consumerist lifestyle that goes beyond our actual ability. The fear of being left behind passes us to act irrationally when we become blind by this fake standard. Ethics and morality are often ignored. We can see how some people are willing to cross moral and ethic boundaries, even damage their own relationship, just to meet this fake standard. From there, the frustration of cashing something unreal open the door to harmful instant solution. Fake ads and the sweet promise of online gambling easily find a place in this desperation.
Emang bener bisa ngasih duit ya? Dikit lagi.
witnessed the bitter consequence of uncontrolled social media, youth financial destruction, and the lost moral of ethics, but it is important for us to understand that social media is like a knife. Its value depends on how it is used. Social media is a platform with a very wide reach. Its power can be used to spread hate and negativity, or on the other hand, to spread kindness. Our focus should not only be on its bad side, but also on its potential for good. Social media can bring distance people closer, making help and knowledge easier to access. We need to shift our perspective from seeing social media only as a source of entertainment to recognizing that it can also be a place to share the benefits and happiness.
Lantas, apa yang sebenarnya terjadi dalam banjir longsor Aceh, Sumatera Utara, dan Sumatera Barat?
Baik teman-teman, saya Umar Halik Jadid membuka donasi yang seluas-luasnya yang nantinya akan kita salurkan bersama.
Social media has gone far beyond its function as a place of entertainment. It has now become an important tool for humanitarian action. The natural disaster that struck our friends in Sumatra teaches us how important fast information truly is. Within hours, the sad news can spread, followed by updates about the latest conditions there. In the end, social media can turn every user into a more caring human being. Distance is no longer a barrier. Through fast live features and posts, we can see the real situations on the ground and send help transparently. This is the real power of social media, where one single post can inspire thousands of acts of kindness. If social media can serve as bridge for humanity in times of emergency, imagine the potential it holds in even broader areas such as education and self-development.
3 pangkat 3. Jadi pangkatnya ini dikaliin ini. Nah, jadi kalau pakai bahasa matematika, misalnya ada bilangan X ya. Pangkat
One of the most significant positive impact of social media can be seen in the field of education. The barrier between student and source of knowledge is becoming thinner. Limited access and the high cost of tutoring can now be overcome easily. Students in remote areas can access the same material as those in high-quality school, including tryout and tutorial from the best teacher wherever they are. Social media can function as a library that is available 24 hours a day. This is not just about watching videos, it is about providing equality. Every individual, regardless of their economic background, has the same opportunity to improve their skill or pursue higher education. In this context, social media is one of the best tools to support change and equal access to education.
From a business perspective, social media provide an effective and efficient platform for advertising and marketing. Small businesses now have the ability to compete in large market without needing big advertising budget. Food vloggers and reviewers can become a bridge between consumers and street vendors, opening new opportunities and helping the local economy grow. In
In conclusion, social media is like a double-edged sword. On the one side, it can become a source of moral and ethical damage. But on the another side, it can be an incredible tool for social good and education. And the real challenge lies within ourselves. Therefore, let us be smart and wise in the using social media, cause this is what will determine whether we will use social media or social media will end up using us.